This tutorial by UNCG's Digital Media Commons will show you the basics of Google Forms, such as setting up a form, creating content, and sharing your form. Okay, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your UNCG email at mail.uncg.edu. Use the secure login to access your email. Once you have logged in, click Drive towards the top right corner. This will open a new window, which will have already navigated to your personal drive space on your Google account. Click the Create button on the right to begin a new project. A drop-down menu will appear. Click Form to navigate to your new form page. Google Drive will prompt you to pick a title and a theme. The title you pick will be the header of your Google form and will be the first thing people see when they fill out your form. It is important to put thought into your title, but it can be changed later if necessary. Since I want to make a form for a field trip, I'm going to call my form Greenhouse Field Trip Permission Form. The next step to creating a Google form will be to select a theme. You can use the scroll tab to preview various themes. I'll be using the White Poppies theme. Once you've selected a theme and properly named your Google form, select OK. If you decide that you would like to change the name of your form, simply double-click the name of your form in the top right corner. Google will prompt you to rename your document. Simply type the new name and hit OK. Because UNCG has its own setup within Google Sites, you have your own UNCG-specific settings at the top center of the form. You can choose to require UNCG logins to view the form or automatically collect your respondent's name. Since this form is not directed at UNCG students, I will uncheck these boxes. Google Sites will prompt you to ensure that you want these changes to be made. Select OK. Next, you have the option to include a form description. The form description can be used to elaborate on the purpose of your form. I will describe this form as Veronaville High School Field Trip 2013. Next, you will begin writing questions for your form. You can change the question by typing in the question title box. My first question will simply be student name. The help text below can be helpful for adding in explanatory details. For this question, my help text will be, please write the full name of the attending student. Then you will choose the question type. There will be a drop-down menu that allows you to change the type of question you will be asking. Google Forms will default to a multiple-choice question, but for this question, I need to allow people to fill in their own answers. For that setting, I will select Text from the drop-down menu. Finally, you have the option to make your question required for the questionnaire. Since I need to know the names of the attending students, I will check the box that says Required Question. Once your question is to your liking, select Done. The red star next to my question indicates that it is a required question. To edit a question after it has been completed, simply hover over the question. To the left of the question, 3 icons will appear: Edit, Duplicate, and Delete. You can use these options to modify questions once they have been created. To create another question, select the Add Item drop-down menu. The drop-down menu will allow you to choose the type of question you want to ask. For my next question, I will select multiple choice. I will also write for my question, will this student be riding the bus or carpooling? Below the question type menu, there will be a series of option boxes. In the first option box, I will write bus. To add another option to the form, click the box below to add. I will write carpool in this box. Once you have finished this question, select Done. Once you have created all of your questions, you now have the option to edit your confirmation page. The confirmation page is what people will see when they successfully complete your form. To change the text on your confirmation page, simply highlight the confirmation message and begin typing your own. Other options you can provide to people taking this survey are to show the link to submit another response, publish and show a link to the results of this form, and allow responders to edit responses after submitting. Once you have selected the options you want and are done creating your form, hit Send Form. Once you hit Send Form, a window will appear that will give you options on how to share your form with other people. You can share the form via Google+, Facebook, Twitter, or email. You also have the option to embed your Google form within websites by copying and pasting a customized HTML code into your site. Once you have shared your form in whichever way you choose, select Done. Finally, Google Forms will ask how you want it to store all of the data collected in the form. Google Forms stores all data in spreadsheets on your Google Drive. Since I don't have a spreadsheet on Google Drives, I will allow it to create a new spreadsheet. Select Create. Now, you can share your Google form with others and keep track of large amounts of information via Google Drive. For more information, please visit the Digital Media Commons page at library.uncg.edu.